Blue Light is back in style. Presents Blue Light Pink and White Edition. It's a day and night fun day football competition and dance
at Background Community Center, 11 miles Bullbay. Saturday, December 28, 2013. Music by the Mighty Emperor alongside Tender Touch. Special guest sound from Canada, Black Nation.
Special guest Baby Trish, Little D, Classical, Mary J, Isha, Santina and the Bad Bull family. Live performance by Beanie Man. Big up all crew. Admission men 300 and woman 100.
Sponsored by Digicel, Cravenair, Conquering Lion, Bad Bull Production, The Star and the Gleaner, Prince City and Sun City.
Wind up your body for me, y'all jiggle up your body.
The Pink and White Blue Light party a body. Blue Light is back in style. Present Blue Light Pink and White Edition. It's a day and night event. Fun day and football competition. Music by the Mighty Emperor. Tender Touch Sound. At Background Community Center, 11 Mile Bullbay. On Saturday the 28th of December 2013. Special guests me Baby Trish, Beanie Man, Foxy Bro, Carl Darkin, Little D, Classical, Santina, Isha, Berry J, Sasa, and the Bad Bull family. Admission men $300, women 100.
I wanna be famous,
and this is the way I came up. Be there.